just a few minutes ago. And then we'll just take it from there. Ms. Hernandez, are you going to be the DA on this, or is it going to be Ms. Aguilar?
I was planning on being the DA on that, Your Honor.
Okay, great. All right, so we have everyone here. YouTube is on. So court call, State of Texas versus Samuel Flores Jr. This is cause number 2024 CC 740828. We're here today for a plea, conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We're also live streaming the proceedings, so it's open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore, sitting by assignment in the Bexar County Jail Court, and specifically for County Court number 12 for this case. If I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Serena Hernandez for the state.
Brenda Levenstein for Mr. Flores.
Sir, are you the same Samuel Flores charged by information with theft of property under $100, but with previous convictions? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
You use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one is the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. I'm using my cursor to circle an electronic signature. Is this your electronic signature, sir?
Yes, Judge.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand that normally pleas are done live in an open court. But that with your signature here, you're telling me that you're consenting to do this one by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Judge.
And secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the electronic signatures in the plea pack in front of me today, you're telling me those signatures are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, Judge.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. I'm scrolling down to another document, sir. It's called the Court's Admonishments. It's 2 pages. And are you familiar with this document?
Yes.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
On page 2 is an electronic signature using the cursor to circle around. Is this yours?
Yes.
Going to get out of share screen. By signing the Court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the Court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, Judge.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes.
The right you're going to give up is the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, Judge.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers contained within the Court's admonishments, make them a part of the record. State, can you tell me what the agreement is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is a $100 fine. Court costs 48 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And if it pleases the court, the state would ask for the judgment to be satisfied. Furthermore, the state is going to take into consideration cause number 2024 CC 740401.
And Ms. Levenstein, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is.
And sir, is that your understanding of the agreement as well?
Yes, Judge.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions are filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trial as if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I am.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual and rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes.
Do you believe that he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes, he is.
Sir, the offense is listed on your information. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
Do Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, Judge.
Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, Judge.
Find the plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea. And I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, you believe that you, do we waive the pre-sentence investigation report?
Yes.
Is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No legal reason.
No legal reason. According to agreement with state, sir, sentence you to 48 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. There is a $100 fine and court costs. Time and money will run concurrent. Taken in consideration. Your dismissal is 2024 CC 740401, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargaining case. I filed the plea bargain. So you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. Making a certification of this for the record. We'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. And for the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
No.
Can't hear the state, but I can see her. I'm assuming it's a no as well. We've had a little bit of.
It is no, I'm sorry, Your Honor, it's a little challenging to hear right now.
I understand. Okay, thank you. Saying we have some technology issues here and there. With that, best wishes to you, sir. This matter is now concluded, and I'm turning off YouTube Live.
Thank you.